at 6, a winter weather alert. Heavy bands of snow slamming cities south and east of Cleveland, leaving treacherous conditions for your morning commute.
Who's getting hit hard right now and how much snow you can expect for the rest of the morning. Our team giving you a first-hand look at what you can expect as you head out the door. Sarah Finney and Ken, one of the hardest hit areas, Meg Shaw and Garfield Heights, and Power 5 meteorologist Samara Theodore tracking this storm.
But first, Storm Tracker 5 South is down on 76 near Wadsworth, battling the elements, and you can see heavy wet snow is covering those highways. So if you have to go out, give yourself some extra time. Overnight, it took our photographers about 45 minutes just to get from Canton to Akron. So Samara, we're going to start with you. You've been tracking this, girl.
Yes, I have been keeping my eye on the storm. You might have seen me just drifting there to look down at the radar. Okay, so I want to talk about this distinction. I think it's so important you guys understand that we're seeing a wet snow. Not so much a dry snow, but a wet snow. Notice the temperatures teetering on that freezing line, 32 degrees, 33 degrees. What happens when you have a wet snow? You get heavier accumulation in terms of water, but you also have the chance to accumulate an ice layer, so it can get really slick out there. Another thing I want you to notice is, I'm going to take off the state temps here and clear the screen. Notice the evolution of this storm. We are starting to see the heavier purples diminish, which means the intensity is going down. Not quite as heavy in areas like Summit County and Stark County where we were seeing it earlier, but it is picking up in parts of Geauga. So if you live in Geauga and you're hitting the road this morning, we are seeing things pick up a little bit out there. Again, accumulation this morning is really depending on where you are. I'm going to pull up that map. If you're farther south, you can see between 4 to 8 inches, but then we show as we move farther west a lot less, but nonetheless everyone making for a messy commute if you live in areas east of Cleveland and south of US 30.